Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, our channel. Disco is right here. Disco, baby, disco, disco, disco. Okay, so don't get intimidated by um, all the situation happening here. Ah, he got up. Disco, show your face to everybody. Disco, you fluffy ball. Wow. Got ready for I shot a makeup tutorial and I'm sure that video is going up first, so you already know why I'm wearing this. As you have read by the title, I'm gonna do a Nykaa haul, and everything as you read is under rupees 300. Okay, ये this is not something जो मैंने सब एक साथ मंगाया है, but this is something जो 300 की कैटेगरी में fall कर रहा था, and I was like, dude, I saw a video of Mridul Sharma doing it, and I was like, maybe I can do it too, because when I realized that I have some products that I've like ordered जो 300 की category में आ रहे हैं, so I was like, why not make a video about it? So very randomly, I'm gonna, in no particular order, I'm just gonna start and I'm gonna give you a mini review, kinda, sorta. This is the NK Makeup Pure Oil, and this is like a lip balm. It's like a lip oil, and I'll show you the texture. So it's like a proper oil for your lips, and I absolutely freaking love this product. I'm not even kidding. This actually retails for 400, but it's always on sale. So it costed me 200 bucks for this lip oil. मैं बहुत lip balms use करती हूँ because I have very chapped lips, very dry skin. I constantly keep applying. Disco, you can't eat my makeup, bacha. This is something I love, but for the price you're paying, obviously it's just for 200 rupees. It doesn't stay for a very long time. Like you would have to reapply it. Like I don't know if it would happen with you as well, because मेरे lips बहुत dry और chapped हैं. Maybe इस वजह से it soaks up and then I have to reapply it, and I don't mind doing it because मुझे वैसे भी आदत है ये reapply करने की. I would definitely give this product a thumbs up because for 200 rupees, I mean, it's an amazing. It feels so buttery, so smooth. Just like literally, it's an oil. So that's how it feels on your lips, and it would not like stick and वैसा sticky सा gloss वाला feeling नहीं है. It's just a very hydrating oil. But yeah, it doesn't last for a very long time. So आप ये देख के लो. So yeah, if you saw my video in which my sister colored my hair, so this is the Garnier Color Naturals Ultra Color, and this color is in the shade Golden Brown 7.3. Now this retails for 200 rupees. मेरे hair color से related जो भी information थी, I have already spoken about it in my previous video, so you can check that out if you want to see how I colored my hair at home. I have this Miss Claire Full Coverage Concealer, and this is in the shade number 1 Porcelain. It was for 275 rupees, and I was like, I can totally use it for like prepping my eyelids and use it like a eyeshadow primer, and it really works like wonderful for me for the price I'm paying. Eye primer के लिए it does the job, and if you want to use it as a concealer, उसके लिए मैं review नहीं दे सकती because मैंने try नहीं किया. But for prepping my eyes, I think it's a great deal. Like for 300 bucks, सही है यार, must. I think I should show you the texture also of this. So it blends also very easily, and as you can see, it's very light for my skin tone. Lakme Absolute Shine Line. Now these are glitter liners, and they're not very recent purchases, and I'll show you the swatches. This is like a very copperish gold. I wouldn't call it like a proper golden shade. The name is Liquid Gold, like a very olivey gold. The other one is the silver one, which I'm going to show you here. Let it dry out. It looks black like this, but it's not. I hope the camera is picking up. So they are glitter eyeliners, and they look beautiful. So yeah, now you can see how it looks. It has dried out completely, and this is the silver and golden one, and they're really pretty colors. They retail for, I don't remember, but I'll put it here on the screen somewhere, but it was under 300 rupees only. So yeah, a big thumbs up to both of these products. Next, I'm gonna come to a Dip and Twist nail paint remover. This is by Swiss Beauty, and I haven't even opened it because I haven't applied like nail polish in months now. But I thought to just mention it because it was really cheap. It was for 100 bucks, so I was like, why not just add it? And Yeah, I think I will just do it right now and show you guys how it works. So we'll do this in the later part of the video. First I'll move on to the other products. The next product is the from the same brand. It's a Swiss Beauty Makeup Fixer Natural with aloe vera and vitamin E. So this is how the product looks like, and it retails for 250 bucks. It wasn't mentioned on the dabba, but I remember it was for 250 bucks. And honestly, I've used it like 2-3 times, and there's, I mean, I don't know, there's something with the fragrance, like it's very familiar, but I don't like the scent. I just bought a very inexpensive one to just, you know, sometimes to just spritz it on my eyeshadow brushes and ये सब मतलब छोटे मोटे काम के लिए I just bought a very inexpensive one. I have no other issue other than the fragrance. I don't know. It's not something ugly. It's not something tacky. I don't know what is it. It smells like something and मुझे नहीं याद आ रहा है ये कैसा smell कर रहा है. I can't describe it, guys. If you've used it, please मुझे बताओ. What does it smell like? It smells like something. I don't know. Next thing is Nykaa Clean Hand Sanitizer. It has 70% alcohol. It is 250 ml and it retails for 125 rupees. So for 125 rupees, you're getting a very generous amount, and I think it works nice. So you can try this. It's a necessity. So now after the hand sanitizer, I have 2 hand creams here. Again, I'm obsessed with toiletries. I'm obsessed with creams, lotions, mist, perfumes, everything. Like, you gotta smell good. You gotta smell good, you gotta feel good all the time. Like, it's very important to moisturize your skin, to hydrate your skin. Just like your body needs food, your skin needs hydration. It's not even like if you're going out somewhere, it's only then. Like, you gotta take care of your skin and all that stuff. So yeah, these are the Nykaa Whipped with Love hand creams. And the one is in honeysuckle and white tea, and the other one is rose and white musk, and both of them smell amazing. Like, I bought it in a combo, and each one is for 275 rupees, but I got it in a combo, so I exactly don't remember for how much was it. But if you want to try like one of these, you can totally, because the number of times I wash my hands in a day is insane. It's crazy, and my hands become super dry, so I need to have my hand creams always. So the next thing is the Sugar Mini Blush, shade number 1, Peach Peak, and I'm wearing it right now. If you've watched the previous video, yeah, so I'm wearing it right now, and I absolutely freaking love it, cause you see for yourself. Like, I am so much, when I use powder blushes, I go for colors like these, bronzy or ये सब, and जब मैं tints use कर रही होती हूँ, then I go towards the red, pink side. Otherwise, blushes में I like to go on the bronzy or peachy side. That's more my thing. So yeah, I absolutely love it, and it's so chotu and it's so compact. Like, I could just keep it in my bag and take it, and I can do a touch up whenever I want, and I'm just good to go. It's very lightweight. It's so handy. Like, you could keep it in your clutch. Its MRP is 349 rupees, but I am sure there was some sale going on when I bought it, because I remember buying it for 300 bucks, bro. Even if it's for 350 rupees, I would give it a big thumbs up, and thoda sa agar ye cheating ho gaya hai, then I'm really sorry. So I have these Lakme Iconic Kajals, and there are 2 kajals. One is in the brown shade and the other one is in the, wait, I'll show you the swatches, where I am falling short of. See guys, this is the brown one. This is the turquoise. These are the shades. I mean, ये जो color है ना, ये I don't think the camera is picking up the color, because camera में it's looking like very sky blue, but it's not. It's turquoise, and it is a very beautiful color. Now, I will be very honest about it. तो जो हमने liquid liners लगाए थे, they are not smudging at all. सूख गए, intact, perfect. Coming to the kajals, they retail for 275 rupees each. अब हम बात करेंगे smudge proof की. So I mean, yeah, it does smudge, guys. I wouldn't lie to you. It does smudge, and it's not a kajal that would stay for a very long time. Like, this is the reason I stopped using Maybelline Colossal Kajal, that the yellow cult kajal. It used to be, my ears are hurting, yaar. जो येलो एकदम कल्ट एकदम काजल आता था. एंड आई रिमेंबर व्हेन आई मेड द Maybelline वाला वीडियो वाज बेस्ट एंड वर्स्ट ऑफ Maybelline अकॉर्डिंग टू मी. व्हेन आई मेड दैट वीडियो आई डिडंट इंक्लूड द काजल बिकॉज आई हैवंट बॉट इट इन लाइक ईयर्स नाउ. उसका आई डोंट नो इफ़ यू गाइज अग्री और नॉट, इफ़ इट्स जस्ट मी और एवरीबडी फील्स द सेम वे. उसका जो क्वालिटी आया था व्हेन इट वाज लॉन्च्ड इन द मार्केट, इट वाज बुलेट प्रूफ, स्मच प्रूफ. ओ माई गॉड. एंड आई एम अ पर्सन who used to put, like, I was that emo girl who used to put पूरा 1 किलो काजल लगा के भर के एकदम, and it didn't smudge at all. It was beautiful, it was so inexpensive, and it was just a life savior. मतलब हम, I think it was just like Zara jeggings. मतलब it was such an essential and everybody had that, just like the Zara jeggings, guys. But I stopped using it because I realized that later when it got all the attention and love and appreciation, उसका quality deteriorate हो गया था according to me. It stopped working for me. वो smudge करने लगा and I was like I am not going to use it anymore. ये smudge proof नहीं है, but I think like I can work with it. I can work with it. How? Okay, I'll tell you how to fix it also. So
अब देखो यार, मुझे तो ना ये सब करना पसंद है, so इसलिए मेरे को ये कुछ इतना एक्स्ट्रा नहीं लगता.
So what I do is whenever you put a kajal, if you're putting a brown kajal, okay, so you put a brown kajal and you take any normal brown eyeshadow or a brush and just properly smudge it. उसको अच्छे से set it, just set it जिससे वो smudge ना करे. And उस पर थोड़ा सा अगर if you put the same color powder, कोई eyeshadow उसी color का, it would be smudge proof then. It wouldn't budge and then it will look beautiful. So that is how I'm going to work with these kajals. I was like, let me just try it. So I have this Biotique Advanced Ayurveda Vitalizing Serum for Falling Hair, Intensive Hair Growth Treatment. Now this retails for 185 rupees and it smells amazing. It smells really nice according to me, like the kind of scents I like. It smells nice. It smells like a treatment thingy. Yeah, how do I explain it? So iske directions mein it's written, apply a small amount to dry scalp, massage it gently with circular motions, leave on and style as desired. Now so basically इसे dry scalp पे लगाना है and it's for hair fall. And honestly मेरा hair fall in general ही बहुत ज़्यादा है, so I don't know like if it's helping me or not helping me, but I have used it this much. मैंने इसका application का use इसीलिए पढ़ के बताया cause I don't use it the way they have told. मैं ड्राई हेयर पे नहीं यूज़ करती हूँ. व्हेन आई वॉश माई हेयर एंड व्हेन माई हेयर इज़ वेट, आई यूज़ अ वेरी जेनरस अमाउंट ऑफ दिस स्कैल्प में भी एंड ओवरऑल बालों पे भी. एंड देन आई हैव दिस हैबिट ऑफ आई नेवर स्लीप विद ओपन हेयर. आई ब्रेड माई हेयर प्रॉपरली एंड देन आई स्लीप. एंड द नेक्स्ट डे माई हेयर इज़ so much less frizzier and so much more manageable. Like they could be tamed. Otherwise my hair is very messy and it gets so frizzy because I style my hair so often and I don't do any hair care, guys. I really don't. Please, I know a lot of you have asked me to do a video on what I do for my hair care. I do nothing. I am very lazy with my hair care routine. Next two things I'm going to show you are nail polishes. Very random, but yeah, very pretty colors. I love pastel shades, so I love this. And I have a Nykaa ka nail polish in this shade. Something similar to this I have, I know, but I think it has dried out. This was for $60, guys. So like, wow, very inexpensive. This is the in color one, which is the nude color, and I love this. Like this is the shade that I would apply like every day. This is for $100. Again, like very inexpensive. So yeah, you can try this out. I really love this color. Next thing I'm gonna talk about are the eyelashes. Z eyelashes I'm wearing right now. So these are some drama, little drama happening over here. But these are the pack eyelashes, pack tapered lashes in the number 60. And it's for 245 rupees. And this is how the lashes look like, guys. So this is not something that you would want to wear every day, and I get it. This is for drama and party and ये सब बाहर जाना, cause yeah, it's all. But pack eyelashes are superb. Like I love pack eyelashes, and the second brand that I love for eyelashes is Kingdom of Lashes. Oh my god, it's beautiful. If you have asked me about my makeup जो मैंने अपनी बहन की शादी पे किया था, and on every function, like सारे days पे I did my own makeup, but every day I was wearing different lashes, but all the lashes were from Kingdom of Lashes, and the quality is so beautiful, and it could be reused so many times, like बहुत आराम से. But उस time पर everything was all over the place and सब कुछ, and I don't even have a single lash left. I don't know, उतार के फेंक के बस but yeah, it's I think 500 से start होता है उसका range. But if you want to invest in eyelashes, they are very beautiful, natural भी, and they have the dramatic ones also. So I would highly recommend that. But if you want to go for the less pricey ones, pack game on. Now I have another lashes to say something about. So these are the Nykaa lashes. One is Lash Talk Turn Up the Drama. Both are for 200 rupees. The other one is OTT Drama. And honestly guys, I don't like these. I have tried this one, this red one, and I haven't liked it. Like, it looks very plasticky and knuckly on your eyes. Like, it would not look natural या बहुत chic और ऐसे. It wouldn't look expensive or natural on your eyes. It would look, दिख रहा होगा कि हाँ भैया ये plastic वाली eyelashes चिपका रखी हैं. And I would say that rather than going for these lashes, you buy the pack ones, cause they are beautiful and उसमें सारे तरह के you have the dramatic ones, volume वाला भी होगा, you will have the light one also if you want. But Nykaa eyelashes is a big no for me. I think these were the most dramatic eyelashes that were possible, and they look very plasticky guys, not good quality. And it comes with a glue which basically does nothing. I'm telling you, खोला भी नहीं था मैंने वो glue. This silver thing here, it's useless. Sorry, I don't have anything against the brand guys, come on, it's all about Nykaa. I've bought everything from Nykaa, but eyelashes, no. Okay, so the next thing is Wadi Herbals Aloe Vera and Cucumber Mist. Okay guys, so Wadi is a homegrown brand. 250 ml is for 165 rupees. Now I know you must be thinking it is packed and how am I gonna review it, but my sister got a pack of 3 different. उसके पास एक rose है, एक lavender है और एक ये cucumber है. So I loved the cucumber one and I ordered it for myself cause it is so refreshing. And I don't care गर्मी हो, ठंड हो या कुछ भी हो, you need that mist to just, you know, give your skin that glow up. And when your skin is feeling dry or even if you're sweating, you just need to freshen up, spritz it, good to go. Amazing product. So yeah, talking about toners, I would always come down to my favorite toners. My favorite toners in the sense with the spray ones, like the one you can spritz, yeah, if you get me, because they are like very easy to use on a daily basis kind of thing. So you don't have to do a lot and you can just refresh your face and all that. So these are the Jovi skin toner. One is in cucumber, which is empty, so that is why I ordered Wadi wala. And the other one is in rose. This is also amazing. I don't know how many bottles of this I have used. It's the Neutrogena Deep Clean Blackhead Eliminating Daily Scrub, and it is the Chotu size. However, I've ordered, like, I have been using this product for more than 2 years now, yeah, and this is a daily scrub. It's very gentle on your skin, and I'm a dry skin type and I have very sensitive skin, so I break out a lot and मुझे बहुत जल्दी से rashes या redness या कुछ हो जाता है. So it's not something that is very harsh on your skin. I mainly use it at night क्योंकि मैं सुबह नहीं use करती इसे, because when you wake up you have your natural oils on your face and I don't want to just rip it off. तो मेरे ये night time skin care routine का एक part है that I like properly ऐसे I use it, and it's a very gentle scrub. It's not harsh on your skin. So this one is obviously more than 300 bucks, but you can try it for yourself. You can buy the Chotu one, and this one's for 160 bucks, and this is 40 grams of product. It's almost over now, but you should really like try it. It's ऐसे वो proper पूरा दिन भर का जितना भी सारा you feel that dirt and pollution, even though you're not going out, but it doesn't mean like there is oil and there's everything on your skin, so it just removes it properly, and yeah, it just gives you a proper ऐसे baby skin. The other thing I want to talk about are these metallic eyeshadows. I think these are the dupes for the Stila metallic shadows. All of these are from Swiss Beauty. एक है Gold Goddess. The other one is in, see, I'm not wearing my specs. I can barely read what's written here. So I think it's 06 Molten Midnight, this one, silver one. And I'll do the swatches for you right now. And this one has to be my favorite. I haven't used it. I ordered it very recently. This is the champagne color. So I really like it. I've used this one quite a lot, and I used this for my sister's haldi function, I think, yeah. I have used it. And I was wearing this eyeshadow in my Vibe with AK wala video. I just put it here on my lid thoda sa, and yeah, I'll do the swatches for you guys. If you're the one जिसे नहीं पसंद इतना ज़्यादा blending and who just needs these kinds of shadows. ये बस you know this could be very handy if you are not a very makeup junky kind of person. You can just buy these जो भी आपको color अच्छे लग रहे हैं, and you can just keep it in your makeup bag, or you can just use it for, like, I know these are not something that you would wear every day, but for wedding or any other occasions, these are, I think 3 of them are very like silver, golden and champagne. Like it's something which would go with anything and everything. Yeah, so each one retails for 200 bucks, 199 rupees, and this is the silver one, this is the golden one. Now let's come to my personal favorite, which I'm really excited to use, guys. It's the only one I haven't used. It's the latest one. Ooh man, gotta be my favorite. See, now I have no complaints whatsoever, because even though I know ये ऐसे लगाने हैं आपको कि if you have to put it, you can't like ऐसे blend it, because फिर ये पूरा blend हो जाएगा, it wouldn't stay. So you have to like put it properly ऐसे product की तरह ही, and you don't have to blend it with a brush. You just have to keep it wherever you have to apply it. So इसका ये सीन नहीं है कि आप इसे फिर blend कर दो, cause blend करके it will become like this, like उसका thickness कम हो जाएगा. So yeah, ऐसे ऐसे हो जाएगा ये, and it wouldn't stay like this. So if you want your glitter or your this glitter shade to be in a particular place, you just have to place it right there and not blend it at all. That's how it's gonna work. Otherwise, if you want an overall shimmery thing, then you can obviously like blend it. I have 2 more kajals here. One is the Wet n Wild kajal. This is the white kajal, which is something like this, and it was for what, I think 200 bucks. It was very very inexpensive, but there's a reason it was very inexpensive. Like I love Wet n Wild, but this kajal is a no from my side, because uska na pigmentation अच्छा है. It's very chalky, I would say. It's not smooth, it doesn't glide, it's very very dry, and I don't know why I bought this, but it really looks like cement. Absolutely no, don't go for it. The other one is the Miss Claire in deep brown. इतने ब्राउन खरीद लिया मैंने ब्रांड्स के, बट घूम फिर के I had to come back to Calabar, because I was like, dude, hands down. So this is the brown one, and again, I love Miss Claire, everything is good. So like, I've put kajal. It's a big no. It will smudge, and how, oh my god, I started looking like somebody. I don't know, it looked horrible, because I didn't realize that it would smudge, and I properly ऐसे लगा के ऊपर लिट पे नीचे लिट पे हीरोइन बन के मैं बाहर चली गई, and it doesn't do the job. Please, it's a big no from my side. Don't buy these kajals. Okay, so I'm gonna try that nail paint remover. I'm just using this nail polish. I'm gonna let it dry, and then we'll see how it works. The next thing I have for you is this eyelash glue. It's the clear white one. I made a mistake here. I wanted to order a black one, because I think that's more manageable, and for people like me who are very clumsy and who don't know how to put lashes properly, I think black works better. But if you're somebody who knows how to, you know, just put eyelashes and use the white one as well, this would be very very easy for you. And it was for 200 bucks, but I got it on discount for like 150. So yeah, it was a good deal, and yeah, it does the job well, because I have used it today, and I put on my makeup in the afternoon, and it's like very late. This works good, and if it does the job, then it does the job. This nail paint has dried, and now we're gonna test out this dip and twist remover. We'll see if it works or not. Okay,
I'm taking it, twisting, one.
it works fine. Thumbs up for this one. 100 bucks? What? The last thing is also very random, and obviously, like most of you, everybody knows about Vaseline, but this is the Vaseline aloe vera scent, and I love this. Like, you could just use it on your lips, on your body, and I think the aloe vera makes it even more appealing, and I think that is why it is like 99% of the times it is out of stock, and I can't wait to order another one, because man, Vaselines are just, I think Vaseline does an amazing job at removing your makeup. So for me, it's like a dupe for Clinique Take the Day Off Balm. I'm saying a very big statement here, but yeah, you can, if you have waterproof makeup, just take Vaseline, a generous amount of Vaseline, and rub it off, and your makeup will be out. It's magic. Like, Vaseline jelly is magic. Okay, I think I've almost like showed you everything that I had, and I hope I didn't miss out on anything. But yeah, if you guys like such series where I do a haul under a budget, so then please let me know. I'm gonna redo it, but not obviously not under 300, because then obviously बहुत सारी restrictions आ जाती हैं. And okay, I'll see you guys next time. Good night and take care. Love you. I said good night because right now it is good night only. Take care guys. I'll see you next time. See you later, alligator.